Welcome back, guys! Let's open our fourth ball. It's so exciting! Let's see what's inside. You ready? Let's pop it up. Ta-da! Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. And let's see. We have a magnet here. Okay, for our first package. Any guess? Uh-oh! We have a duplicate. The crab hickory smoke. The second one. Okay, we have the Eggo pancake. Nice one. Next one. Uh-oh, we have another duplicate. The kombucha. Next one. Yay! We have the Jello. Another nice item. Next, we have, uh-oh, another bottled water, a duplicate. Next, and the last one, I think. It's a luxury item. A bag of ice. Wow! Okay, 6 new items and 3 new items and 3 duplicate. Thanks for watching.